So, as a business owner, do you want to reach out to more customers and increase your sales? Then keep watching, guys. Hey everyone, my name is Karthik. Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a business Facebook page. The benefit of having a business Facebook page, as a business owner, you're raising awareness of your brand and you're also reaching out to those potential customers on Facebook free of charge. Nowadays, it is really important for your business to have an online presence. And if you're new on the internet, Facebook is a great place to start. Facebook business page is a free tool to increase brand awareness and generate sales. So let's jump into how to create a Facebook business page. Now I have the classic version of Facebook and I can click on create page, or if you have the new version of Facebook, then you'll need to press the plus sign and then page. So let's go ahead and click on the page. Now on this page you need to choose a category. So this could be business or brand, where you can showcase your product or brand, or maybe a community or a public figure where you want to connect to people in your community. In this example, I will choose the business option. It will then ask me for a page name. It will then ask me to enter in a category. You will be given suggestions, so for this I will enter in website, then press continue. Then you will be prompted to upload a profile image and a cover photo. You can use canva.com to create this if you don't have it, or you can use your own photos. You need to make sure your profile photo is 180 pixels by 180 pixel and your cover photo must be 820 pixels wide by 312 pixels tall. And now that we have the page created, we will start to customize our page. So let's head over to the edit page info. In this page, you can enter in a short description of your page to let people know what your business is about. You can also change the category. To let your clients know more about you, enter in your contact details, address, working hours, and the product or services you are showcasing. Remember to press save at each section. Now your next step is to specify a page username. This is easier for people to find your page in search when it has a unique username. This way you can create custom URLs that people can visit quickly. Click on the create page at username title and enter in your username. Once you see a green tick, it means the username is available to use. Click on the create username and you will get a successful message. Your next step would be to add a call button just underneath your cover photo. So if we click on the add a button, it will then ask you what kind of buttons you want to add. It will give you several options. In this tutorial, I will choose contact now and then call now. Enter in the area code and then your phone number. This will enable the contact now link just below the cover photo. Now if you want to view this page as a visitor, click on the three dots next to the share option and then click on view as page visitor. Page will automatically reload and will show you how the clients will see. You can see the profile photo, cover photo and the call now button which I set earlier. In addition to that, you can also see my contact details. You can return back to the editing of your page by clicking on switch back to your view link at the top. You can also invite your friends or customers to connect with you so they can learn more about your business. Try to encourage them to like your page so it increases your visibility. Navigate to the right hand side of the page where it will say, "Know friends who might like this page." Here you can invite your friends or clients to view the page by pressing the invite button next to their name. Now since you have your page all set, it's time to post on Facebook via your business page. Click on the write a post text and start typing your first post from your business Facebook page. You can add images, videos, or links to that post. You can go live on Facebook, you can create events, you can create offers for your product and services, and create ads to boost your presence online. There are so many other options which you can use to customize your page further. But for now, let's look at the setting options, which is at the top right of this page, and we will briefly discuss each submenu on the left hand side. So first of all, you have the general tab, and within that option you have the option to set if visitors can post share, tagging option, country and age restrictions, and other related settings. Now let's have a look at the messages option, where you can set greetings for your customers and automated responses. Messages can be set so when a customer gets in touch with you on your business page, it will send them an automated greeting message. The next one on the list is templates and tab, which will let you reorder your tabs such as events, post, review, and others in different orders. In page role, you can assign admin roles to someone else in the business. For example, if you have more than one person managing this page. You can connect your Instagram and WhatsApp account for a broader contact method for your business. And of course, it will take you a while to go through all these options, but I highly recommend it to go through it thoroughly. I will just quickly talk about the top menu bar above your profile and cover photo. The first one is page, which you're currently viewing. The second one is inbox, where you will be able to see messages from your messenger and Instagram if it is linked. The third option is COVID-19 resource, which gives great info on the current situation and help for businesses. The fourth option is notification, where you'll see notifications from your viewers on likes or comments. The fifth option is insights, where you can see how well your page is doing with the audience. You can see info on page likes, page view, the reach, and information on the demographics. The sixth option is publishing tool, where you can see the number of people your post has reached to and the engagement with your audience. This is a great way of analyzing each post. Finally, as you can see, there are so many other options you can configure to optimize your page, but I won't go through it all in this video. I will make a follow-up video for this in depth. This brings us to the end of the video. Hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you found anything useful here, please do let me know and comment down below. Like, share and subscribe guys. See you in the next one.